Next experiment in the ESP32 will start with potentiometer. Potentiometer is a variable resistor. Uh, in this experiment, we will see the values of that variable resistor in the serial monitor itself. Okay, let's start with the code. Open the Arduino IDE. Arduino IDE. Next, select the board which you are using. So now we are using ESP32 room model. So select that module and the port which you are connected the ESP32. Click on OK. Next, you write down your code. This is your simple code for ESP potentiometer using ESP32. So after writing the code, click on upload. This upload will first compile the code. If there are any errors, it will not upload the code. It will pop up some errors in the code which you have written. Here you can see that the code is compiling. Once it is done compiling, the uploading will start automatically. So then the upload, if uploading is completed 100%, it will show done uploading. So here you can see the option for serial monitor. Click on serial monitor, and now you can see that values of potentiometer is showing down here. Okay, once we change the values of the potentiometer, the value here will start changing. So here you can see the output of the potentiometer. When I start rotating the potentiometer, the values changes gradually. Here you can see the output. Now I am reducing the potentiometer by turning it in anti-clockwise direction. So when you turn anti-clockwise direction fully, the value will be 0. So this is the output we want to get.
So this is the hardware connection of potentiometer with an ESP32. So let's make the connection. Here the output pin of the potentiometer is connected to the fourth pin of the ESP32 and ground to the ground terminal of the ESP32, and VCC to 3.3 volt. So as you have previously seen in the serial monitor, it shows when we change the sensitivity of the potentiometer, it changes the values of the resistance in the serial monitor. So this is the hardware connection interfacing with the ESP32 and potentiometer.